What are your due process rights in the Bill of Rights? Imagine facing a legal situation where your freedom or property is at stake. Knowing your rights can make all the difference. The Bill of Rights, the first 10 amendments to the United States Constitution, provides essential protections for individuals against government actions. Among these protections are the due process rights, which ensure fairness and justice in legal proceedings. The concept of due process is rooted in the idea that the government must follow fair procedures before depriving someone of life, liberty, or property. While the Fifth Amendment explicitly states that no person shall be deprived of these rights without due process of law, the 14th Amendment extends this guarantee to actions by state governments. This means that both federal and state authorities are bound to uphold fair procedures when enforcing laws. Due process rights encompass several key protections. First, they requiring that individuals receive notice of legal actions taken against them. This means that before someone can be deprived of their property or liberty, they must be informed of the charges or reasons. Second, individuals must have the opportunity to be heard in a fair and impartial hearing or trial. This includes the right to present evidence, cross-examine witnesses, and challenge the evidence presented by the opposing side. Furthermore, due process safeguards include the right to a trial by an impartial jury in criminal cases, ensuring that guilt is established beyond a reasonable doubt. In civil cases, due process guarantees that disputes are resolved fairly and that parties have a chance to present their case. The protections also prohibit the government from acting arbitrarily or unfairly, requiring that laws be applied consistently and that individuals are treated with fairness and dignity. In addition to procedural protections, due process also involves substantive rights, which prevent the government from enacting laws or policies that are fundamentally unfair or unreasonable. For example, laws that violate basic principles of justice or discriminate unlawfully would be considered violations of substantive due process. Overall, due process rights in the Bill of Rights and the 14th Amendment serve as vital safeguards. They ensure that legal proceedings are conducted fairly, that individuals are informed and heard, and that government actions respect fundamental principles of justice. These protections uphold the integrity of the legal system and help maintain individual freedoms in a democratic society.